Hi, this is Andrew Hunter from Plugin Results, and today is September 16th, 2014, and today a new product is being released called WP Profit Builder. WP Profit Builder is a marketing platform. It's a plugin and a theme that you can use on your site to create great looking sales pages, squeeze pages, JV pages, webinar pages, download pages, you name it. It is built to compete with OptimizePress 2.0. Now, it is one of those types of products that is going to be promoted heavily, and is one of those types of products that, quite frankly, people love to buy. The problem with these types of products is that they are very complex because of the way they work, and that can create problems. So I wanted to be able to review this product, and I wanted to be able to give you an objective review based on what I found. So I was fortunate enough to receive a review copy from the developer yesterday, and over the past 24 hours, well, not quite 24 hours, but you know what I mean, I've been reviewing this plugin, and I wanted to share with you my results. Because, you know, there's just no way that with a new product like this they could find every anomaly that could possibly conflict with a plugin or a unique hosting environment. So I wanted to purchase it, I wanted to install it, and I wanted to test it on one of my sites. So I went ahead and did that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to share with you some of the results of what I found, and also what has happened since that time. Now this is the sales, this is actually the members area of WP Profit Builder, and within the members area it has, let's see here, it has some good training videos. I've walked through a couple of these, and they explain very well how you go about installing and configuring the plugin, the basis of how it works, and how to create the different types of pages using the plugin. So the members area is very complete. I was pleased with that. I went ahead and installed it on a domain, and let me explain to you what happened when I installed it. So I installed it, entered my activation key, and everything worked fine. One of the things you need to do right out of the gate is go to the templates management section. What I like about WP Profit Builder is that it doesn't come fully loaded, and as opposed to OptimizePress 2.0. OptimizePress 2.0 OP2 is a very big plugin. It's about 5 times the size, and so installing it takes a lot of time. But with WP Profit Builder, what they've done is, instead of loading all the templates, they actually host them in the cloud, and all you need to do is to click on whichever template you want. Here you can see I've got this one installed, but if I wanted to have this one installed, I just click on the install button and the check mark shows up, and it's installed. So now I can go ahead and use this template if I want to on my site. So there's a huge number of templates here that I can choose from. Some of them are fantastic looking templates, and I think they've got a bit more variety than OP2 does right out of the gate, so that's kind of cool. Now let me tell you what happened when I first installed this plugin. I came to this page and I went to install a theme, and when I did, install one of these templates, and when I did and clicked install, that red circular arrow showed up and it never went away. The template would not install for me. So problem number one, immediately right out of the gate there was an issue. I couldn't install any templates. So that was an issue. The other problem I had was I was running a StudioPress theme, and when I went to pages and I went to create a page, let's just add a new page. Call this test and click Save Draft. And now when I go to click on Profit Builder here and edit the page in the live editor, what happened was this page would load. Actually, nothing would load. I get a blank screen here as opposed to this. So this is the live editor, but what was happening was with the StudioPress theme I was getting a blank page. So that was a huge problem for me, and I immediately submitted a support desk ticket. So this is the day before the launch. I submitted a support desk ticket. to my delight, I received a response to that ticket within an hour, and I explained the problem, and during that process of addressing their questions to give them more information, I discovered the actual problem. The actual problem was not so much with a conflict with WP Profit Builder and StudioPress. It was a plugin that was installed on my site that was preventing this product to work on a StudioPress theme. So when I deactivated that particular plugin, the product started working on StudioPress themes. So, and it wasn't a plugin that I really needed, so I deactivated it, and all is good. So this is so that problem was addressed, and at the same time, I also told them about the other problem, about the install issue, and I gave them access to my site, and late last night they released a new version, and that version fixed every problem that I encountered with this product. So I was really pleased with the support that I got. It showed they're being proactive in addressing some of these issues, and now the product is fully functional for me. So I'm glad of that, because quite frankly, I would not have promoted this product if that was the case, and my review would probably be much different. But I'm telling you everything that has happened, and I'm now at the point where I can actually use this product. So let me actually show you how it works. So first of all, I'm going to back up here because there's one step that I did not do. I'm going to back up, and I'm going to scroll down here, and on the right hand side you can see that I can select a template. I can select the theme template or the Profit Builder full width page. Now I want the Profit Builder full width page because that allows the live editor to look better. Now I'm just going to click Save Draft again, and I'm going to click on Edit Page to get the live editor up. And now the live editor is up. So you can see now I have a full width page that I can look at. What I want to do now is I want to click on Load Page, and I'm going to select a template. And click on the drop down. These are the templates that I went ahead and installed from the admin area. And let's see here. I'm going to select Sean's $1 million sales page, Midnight, and click Load. And that template will now load. The screen will refresh, and I'll be able to actually see the layout of this template. And as you can see, it comes pre-configured. You change the text obviously and the images you want, but this layout is absolutely fantastic. You know, you can go ahead and edit this layout and create a great looking sales page with your own content. So this is fantastic, right? Very similar to the way OP2 works, but as I said, I think the themes are a little more complete. And the other thing that I haven't mentioned yet is the fact that the way this the controls are laid out in the live editor, you can actually hover over any one of these images and find what you're looking for. With OP2, you kind of have to drill down. So you're editing a link, and then you're going in and changing that particular tool that created that box, right? So this is a headline. So if I were to click on edit with OP2, you know, you get the drop down menu and things like that. But if I clicked on edit here, you can see I've got this area that shows up off to the side. It doesn't hover over, and it seems to be a little faster, a little more responsive than OP2. So that's the other thing that I like about this over OP2. So, you know, in terms of speed, I love it. It addresses some of the issues that I have with OP2. In terms of layout, I can actually see, you know, I think it's a more intuitive tool than OP2 is, which is also good. So, you know, overall, I'm pleased with this product, and I think, given that how proactive they were out of the gate of addressing some of the issues that I experienced, I'm thrilled with that. And it addressed another concern that I had about this product, because it is developed by an internet marketer. It's not developed by a software creator, right? So there's a difference. Keep that in mind. But because of the great support that I received over the past 24 hours with these significant issues that I faced, I'm thrilled with that. And going forward, I'm going to be purchasing this product today, because as I said, I only received a review copy. So I'll purchase this product today. I'm going to install it on my next site, and then on subsequent sites as well. And then I'll go back and possibly go back and change some of my older sites that I'm running OP2 on. But this